Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot chocolate better. To start, always choose a high-quality cocoa powder. This is the foundation of a great drink. Consider using Dutch processed cocoa for a less bitter, smoother taste. For the liquid base, whole milk provides a rich texture, but a creamy plant-based milk like oat or cashew milk also works wonderfully. This initial step sets the stage for a truly delicious beverage. Next, let's talk about enhancing the flavor. A tiny pinch of salt, perhaps 1/8 of a teaspoon, can surprisingly deepen the chocolate's taste. Instead of just sugar, try natural sweeteners like maple syrup or honey for a more complex sweetness. For an aromatic twist, add a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, a dash of nutmeg, or even a very small amount of chili powder for a subtle, warming kick. These additions transform the ordinary into extraordinary. Now, let's focus on achieving that perfect, velvety texture. For an incredibly rich drink, melt about 1 ounce of finely chopped dark chocolate directly into your hot cocoa. Whisking continuously and vigorously is key to creating a smooth, frothy consistency without lumps. Finally, for an extra layer of indulgence, stir in 1 tablespoon of heavy cream or half and half just before serving. This makes your hot chocolate wonderfully decadent and satisfying. To complete your gourmet hot chocolate experience, consider the toppings and presentation. A generous dollop of freshly whipped cream or a few perfectly toasted marshmallows are classic choices. For an extra special touch, drizzle with a rich caramel sauce or sprinkle some finely grated chocolate shavings on top. Serving it in a pre-warmed mug with a fun stirrer elevates the entire experience, making each sip feel like a luxurious treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.